Ford 1110. Hard to see it from that. With the way I was able to figure out what it actually was the engine, which is an LEK 752C, which is the 0.7 liter, and there you have it written, LEK 752C on the block, the 706cc or 0.7 liter. The 0.7 liter. Shibaru, I don't know how to say that. Shibaru Japanese motor. 2-cylinder diesel. No start condition. Cranks over. Almost tries to start, and then dies. I'm gonna let this down a little bit. I can open this hood, or I might just take the hood off. If it's easy enough to. My thought, though, cracking open the diesel line, I'll get that hood open. Alright, so my thought is, I had the valve cover off, and saw combustion on this cylinder right here, but none on this one. Cracked open the lines, would attempt to start after the lines were opened up and cracked, but wouldn't. It scored out pretty good. To me, the valves look like they need adjusted. This is an early 80 model tractor. Seen a lot of use. The guy said he was actually using it when it stopped. He was actually tilling. He had somebody look at it, and they thought that it was a piston rod that broke. I don't think that's the case with this. And so I did find this Shibaru manual off of eBay, $4.74. They sent it to me. I downloaded it, and I saw two different valve settings for this tractor, but they're really similar. I think it was a 0.2 millimeter or a 0.3 millimeter. I'll have to look at that again. Don't trust me on that yet. I will look at that. And my first order of business, though, is to see how many cranking amps is left in this battery. It's a big battery. It's a marine battery. 2019 marine RV with 685 marine cranking amps. So it's definitely got the power. We'll just see how much is left on it. It's been used to crank this a lot. So that's going to be my first order of business. I don't even know if the keys. Yeah, the key is in there. Okay. We'll see if we can get it started. The guy says he wants to buy it back from me if I get it started. I did buy this for $800, and I got that tractor as well. Another small tractor, but it's a bigger 3-cylinder tractor. It's got the locked up situation. Let's see where that's not good. Saw a tag on it somewhere. Oh, this is see that. Looks like it's a 470D, an S470. Okay, so this is actually not a Ford Sator, a Sator tractor, maybe. Looks like a Ford, so it's probably another one of the same type. It's got four-wheel drive as well as this other little Ford has. It's really what drew me to it. I like the four-wheel drive aspect of it. But got both of these for $800, which I don't know. Maybe it was a waste of money. But I like it that this one has the bucket. Of course, it's really light. I mean, I can lift up the back end and move it. I was doing that with the bar. It's really rough. Got a lot of leaks and stuff like that. But it's like might be a little collector's little thing. It's also at pretty high value. Parts are hard to find for this Japanese motor.